Hello, and thank you for joining me at Grace by God, One Song, One Truth. Today we're looking at Song 357, Yesu Mato Te Whawhetai, Jesus, we thank you.
Yesu Mato Te Whawhetai, Whawhetai, Whawhetai. Ua whawhetai alofa mai, whawhetai, whawhetai. Na e a whio mai lunga mama liu pua puanga ia matou saunga le muai. Whawhetai, whawhetai, na e a whio mai lunga mama liu pua puanga ia matou saunga le muai. Whawhetai, whawhetai, whawhetai,
An agnostic named Robert Ingersoll once said that a believer is a songless bird in a cage. By that, I believe he means a Christian who believes in a God that doesn't exist is a slave. And because he's a slave, he has absolutely nothing to sing about. Nothing could be further from the truth. In fact, a Christian is not a slave. God has freed him or her from the bondage of sin. And because he's free, he has a lot to sing about. And that's what this song is about. It's a song of thanksgiving. Yesu Mato Te Whawhetai, Jesus, we thank you. And why do we thank Jesus? Because he has secured for us our salvation. What about this notion that a Christian is a slave or caged bird? Well, we go to the book of Romans and we find three things happen to a Christian. The first one is justification. And that's when God declares a person righteous, not because of what the person did or will do, but because of what Christ accomplished on the cross and by his resurrection. In justification, God frees or delivers the person from the penalty of sin. Then there's sanctification. In sanctification, God frees or delivers a person from the power of sin. And finally, we have glorification. And in glorification, God frees or delivers the person from the presence of sin. And that won't happen until we are before him in all his glory and for all eternity. So that's 357. And until the next song, may God keep you and make his face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.